Club Station USA. Thank you so much, first of all, for doing this interview.
Thank you.
बताइए।
Well, unfortunately, जब season 2 end हुआ था, तो I was not a part of the show because I had gone away for Big Boss like about 2 months before the show ended. तो they had kind of ended my character थोड़ा सा पहले कि नीति मुझे कुछ warning देती है और मुझे बॉम्बे से निकाल देती है, ऐसा था. But yeah, I mean, nobody can ever think that, you know, your show, which was so popular, would actually come back after 2 years, even though it's just a web series. But, you know, it's come back and we've got like 13 episodes and it's actually going on air from the 15th of May on Woot. So it feels great, yeah, कि मतलब एक show जिसकी popularity not only in terms of the main leads, but even other characters and even me, who's just playing a mother to Manik. But the popularity to this character has been crazy. So, you know, to come back feels really, really great. Well, I think television जो बनता है वो completely different है. And web is more real, more youth-centric, you know, and especially because our show is also a very youth-oriented show. So it always will help that, you know, वो TV पे नहीं होके web पे होगा, तो following and viewership उतनी ज़्यादा मिलेगी. And I think it's more real, it's more subtle, it's more you know, day to day जैसे होता है लाइफ में, जैसे लोग बात करते हैं, जैसे dialogues लिख कर आते हैं on our set also. It's so something that you can relate to very easily, something that you can connect with very easily. So that is web, and I think web is doing really well right now. So I think it's the best thing to happen for Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, that, you know, it's coming back, and it's coming back as a web series on Moot. Well, see, in the earlier seasons, I was an out-and-out negative character. But in this season, I'm trying to literally win Manik's trust and Manik's love back. So what all Nayonika does, you know, to win that back, and whether it's fake, whether it's real, whether it's drama, all that you will only know when you watch Kaisi Hai Yaariyan. Yeah, he's seen Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, a few episodes, and he really liked my character in the show, and he really liked the whole you know, the show jaise tha. And also he's also seen the crazy popularity that everybody has got in this show, you know, मतलब एक picture आप डालो and you get so many tags on that your entire timeline is full. So something like that I have never seen in my career. I mean, हाँ, प्यार की एक कहानी जब मैंने किया था on Star 1, तो उसकी popularity to some level ऐसी थी, but अब उसको इतने साल हो गए that people have literally now given up, you know. But इसके fans 2 सालों से continuously they were at it, you know, कि हमें वापस चाहिए ये show, हमें वापस चाहिए. So yeah, I mean, unka bhi was, when he also got to know that, you know, it's coming back as web series, he was also very happy that, you know, एक show के साथ ऐसा भी हो सकता है that it could come back after 2 years. So yeah, it was, yeah, definitely I will work for both. But see, the way I am and the way you know, I love to act and to perform, I would definitely love to do web series more. But television का एक अपना charm है, and television में भी रहकर आप कुछ ऐसे roles कर सकते हो जिसमें you can really act like you're doing a web series only. So you can do that, which I try to do also in television. But yeah, definitely web is more happening right now, so I would love to do more of web. After this, तो पता नहीं, but right now I'm just doing one play, which is a comedy play. It's got Rakesh Bedi, it's got Avtar Gill, Tanaz Irani है, Delnaz है, मैं हूँ. तो हम हैं इस play में, and you know, so it's a comedy play, it's a fun play. So I'm doing this right now, and Labor Day से मेरी छुट्टियाँ शुरू हुई हैं, तो अब तक मेरी छुट्टियाँ ही चल रही हैं. So I think this entire month I'm going to take like a break and probably get back to work from next month. Fans को तो यही बोलना चाहेंगे, which all of us have been saying today the whole day, that, you know, thank you very much for getting this show back, for making us do something that we love to do, especially me playing Nayonika. So thank you guys, and keep watching Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, which starts on the 15th of May on Voot on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Do not forget and keep showering your love on us like this so that we keep entertaining you always. Thank you.